Yesterday I was kind of shocked. I was watching this TV show where this Jewish rabbi, he messes up. We all mess up. So he tells his wife, you can beat me. And his wife takes a pillow and beats him, and all the anger is gone. So what I did, and you all should do, order feather pillow. So imagine, if they are angry, they take the feather pillow and beat you, and you know where it can lead to. But in India, there is a problem. People have a small one, but I have a big one. And it's painful. Trust me, it hurts. So what I do, I always hide my balan away so that I am safe. In south of India, we are little more safe because we eat idli, dosa, vada and all that where balan is not used. So I am going to make this chili garlic masala. It's like we call it chili karam. What we do is we add very little oil, do not add too much. In this, add coriander seeds, add cumin seeds, add red chili. We kind of slowly roast it, not too much. In this, add some desiccated coconut or dry coconut. Garlic, do not cook it. Raw garlic, put in the blender. You can put it with the skin on. Now, transfer this red chili, cumin, coriander seeds and the coconut into a blender. Add salt and blend it to a fine powder. This garlic karam we make in many varieties. We make even curry karam, but this one, add little bit and it will enhance the taste. Even with rice, add little ghee and eat it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The next is onion and ginger chutney, which I also like it on dosa. So add some oil, add red chilies, add tamarind little bit for the sourness, add ginger and also add sesame seeds. Saute it and add onions. Lot of onions in this. Add salt. When this is nicely cooked, we are going to add jaggery. Very little jaggery. Little bit of that sweetness will make this chutney extraordinary. When the onions are nicely cooked, add a little bit of jaggery and transfer this into a blender and make it into a coarse paste. This onion ginger chutney is just awesome. And let's go and make dosa. Where the queen goes, the subjects go. We have to take the entire setup so that queen is served hot dosa. So here is the batter. First, the tawa is nice and hot. Pour the batter. Okay, and make a nice. We're going to make first egg dosa. Okay. So on this, add butter or ghee. Break an egg. And just double break the egg. And now spread this egg all over. On top of this is my favorite garlic karam. Okay, this is nice and spicy. And if you want, you can also grate some cheese. Fresh watermelon juice, and the dosa is also ready. Nice onion chutney, onion and ginger chutney, and the dosa is nice and perfect. Look at the shine on the dosa with everything. So here and cabbage juice first.
Yeah, thank you.
And serve hot dosas. Ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick. I almost made 6 varieties of dosa and each one is exclusive. Look at it. Dear friends, best of the best food is made at home. When you have this kind of chutney, so many flavors. Breakfast, when you eat dosa, it's not just about chutneys. How many varieties of dosas you can make in one sitting? I usually eat 5 dosas and each dosa is going to be differently flavored, differently done. And look at those awesome vegetables, the chili, the tomato, the eggs and the cheese, everything. My goodness. Ooh, 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 ooh. And when you eat this good, you got to say ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick ding chick.